Maharashtra versus Mumbai. Always such a keen contest, as old-timers will tell you, the equivalent of the Battle of Roses. That's the points table in Group E. Group E matches being played at Hyderabad. Andhra right on top because of the net run rate. Kerala with 8 points, but with net run rate good, but they have lost one game. Maharashtra and Mumbai unbeaten, 8 and 4 points each. Services also 1 victory, 4 points. Goa and Nagaland yet to log any points. So the topper teams would try to really finish at the top, so they get a direct qualification for the quarterfinals.
Lovely settings here in Hyderabad. We're all in readiness for this game. It's Mumbai taking on Maharashtra. And of course, to my left, I've got both the captains. Shreyas Iyer, the captain of Mumbai. Ruturaj Gaikwad leading Maharashtra. And Valmik Butch, he's the man for this game. You got the coin, Ruturaj? Please spin it.
Tails.
Tail is the call.
Come on, come on, come on. Ah, yes, man.
And it's a tail.
Finally. You're going to bowl first.
First ball coming up here. Quick off the blocks. That is good cricket all round. Just playing into the gap, taking off, good understanding. Upish, but safe. And that's run into the gap as well.
वाह जी वाह, आवाज सुनिए आप.
This time playing it much better. Punch of the back foot, 4 runs. The short one, and it was almost like a tennis forehand, and that will go for yet another boundary. Oh, that's a miss hit, but the leading edge will take it for another boundary. And the short pitch one pulled. Will it be taken? Yes, it is.
ऋतुराज गायकवाड ने बनाए 19, महाराष्ट्र 29 पे.
But middle and leg stump line would mean that the batter very well placed. Oh, this time yet another boundary.
विकेट नंबर 2. अवस्थी भी नहीं वापसी करी है.
Rahul Tripathi gone for 16. Maharashtra 46 for 2. Oh, once again middle and leg, and that's asking to be punished. Yet another bouncer once again.
Upish, but straight to the fielder. He's taken as well.
वापस पहले जाना होगा अर्शिन को 19 रन बना के. लीजिए, अपील हुई है जोरदार. और अंपायर ने भी कह दिया है ये आउट है यहाँ पे.
Out for 7 of 6 deliveries. Upish, that's in the air. Fielder coming underneath. And that's taken as well.
सत्यजीत बच्चों को जाना पड़ेगा वापस. उन्होंने बनाए 6.
Oh, Castle there. Inganekar out without scoring. That's it, the gap as well. That's racing away. That's going to be a boundary here. This bar, see their bats in. और ये जबरदस्त शॉट. इससे बैकअप एंड डिलीवरी गैप में खेला है. यहाँ मिलेंगे 4 रन.
Oh, that's through. That's 4 runs.
इस बार ऑन साइड पे ये जबरदस्त प्रहार है.
Oh, that's a good yorker. And is given.
गाजी ने बनाए 32. महाराष्ट्र 136 पे 7.
Maharashtra to victory against Kerala.
मारा तो ये भी जोर से है जी. हाथ लगा गेंदबाज का, लेकिन उसके बाद भी कोई खिलाड़ी था नहीं जो इस गेंद को रोक पाए. गेंद काफी हवा में है और क्या कैच पकड़ा है. घोष ने बनाए 11 रन. महाराष्ट्र 150 पे 8.
Oh, that's hit. That's maximum. Oh, this time inside out. But straight down the throat of the fielder there.
38 गेंदों में 47 बनाए.
This one innovative shot. So not much of power behind that. Will have to remain content with a single. So Maharashtra end up on 171 for 9. It will be an interesting chase. Maharashtra, this is what happened. Got start both the openers, but in an attempt to accelerate the scoring, both fell. Identical score of 19. Rahul Tripathi also was looking good, though he could not convert it into something substantial. Qazi and Nikhil Naik were the two. A respectable score, nonetheless, 171 for 9.
Prithvi Shaw, very experienced, strike rate of 151. Angresh Raghuvanshi, 20 years old. Need those early wickets, Maharashtra. The first ball of this run chase. Right on the button there, nicely bowled as well. Equally well played by Prithvi Shaw. Down the leg, appealing as well. And the finger is up. Prithvi Shaw out without scoring. Mumbai 0 for 1.
यहाँ पे रन्स मिलेंगे और मिलेंगे भी 4.
Nicely played in the gap. Lovely shot from Raghuvanshi. Apesh, but in the gap. Lovely shot there.
और यहाँ रूप पे फायदा उठाया जो
Going over the top. Is clearing the infield.
यहाँ मिस टाइम हुआ है. फील्डर नीचे हैं और दिलाई है विकेट अश्विन कुलकर्णी ने पहले ही ओवर में. बड़ी सफलता.
Raghuvanshi, the man out for 21, was shaping up well.
ये पिकअप शॉट देखिए आप, बहुत दूर गई है जी गेंद. यहाँ पे भी रन्स मिलेंगे. अपने लिए रूम बनाया था श्रेयस अय्यर ने.
This time straight as an arrow. That's going to be another boundary to end the over.
English Raghuvanshi. This time Shreyas Iyer stamping his authority over there.
इस बार ऑन साइड पे और 4 रन और जोड़ दीजिए. इस बार ऑन साइड पे धकेलते हुए अजिंक्य रहाणे और गैप में खेला 4 रन.
And there comes the reverse shot there. There comes the improvisation. Taken on the full, and Ajinkya is finding the gaps. Shreyas Iyer, last over also we saw that. This time once again the reverse sweep. Out due to injury. Magnificent shot that was. What underneath that one? Solanki flighting, full toss. What a shot that. Shreyas Iyer brings up his 50 in style.
तो फिर से कमाल का शॉट मारा है यहाँ पे.
Short ball, asking for trouble. Has led from the front, and he continues to entertain the cricket lovers here. Pitching it short, but this time an error on the part of the Mumbai skipper.
श्रेयस अय्यर ने बनाए 39 गेंदों में 71. यहाँ फिर से मौका है तीसरी विकेट का. लीजिए, तीसरी विकेट मिल गई है उनको.
But Bhavani Bol Chaudhary, Mumbai 142 for 4. This time a pitch, and that will beat the field of 4 runs. That will bring up his 50 as well. Ajinkya Rahane, what a fine knock.
Pulls it high up in the air. That should be taken. Man the deep and takes it.
मात्र 34 गेंदों में 52 बनाए हैं. मुंबई 151 में 5.
Pulls it. And that's that should have been taken.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल किया है यहाँ पे और क्या बढ़िया तरीके से इस्तेमाल किया है.
Score required. Pulls it. And that's in the gap as well. That's going to be the winning stroke, the winning runs here for Mumbai. They won this game by 5 wickets. It's been a really good performance by them. Chasing it very comfortably in the end. Convincing win for Mumbai.
और मुंबई का खेमा काफी खुश होगा जिस तरीके से प्रदर्शन रहा है कि 2 बड़ी टीमें थी यहाँ. महाराष्ट्र इससे पहले 2 के 2 मुकाबले जीत के आई थी इस मुकाबले के अंदर.
Played so well along with Ajinkya Rahane. 2 experienced batters doing the job for Mumbai. The first loss for Maharashtra as far as their campaign is concerned in the Syed Mushtaq Ali Trophy.
मुंबई के कप्तान श्रेयस अय्यर ने टॉस जीत के पहले गेंदबाजी करने का निर्णय लिया था और शुरुआत बहुत अच्छी